I knew that after I got the demo in the booth at SEMA with Rotek that I knew I had to have one of these. And again, what I love about this is there's no pump. I don't have to be pumping anything, which is going to be wonderful. So you can do this in narrow space. No pumping, nothing you have to do on this end. Just goes straight up. And then you can just adjust as far as you want to go. And that's one of the things I really love about it. It's just kind of infinitely adjustable. Got power, and I can just right back down, just like that. So my car's been lowered just a little bit, so this still fits with a good healthy clearance under my car, which is really, really nice. It's easy to maneuver around. Slide it underneath, make sure that you got it lined up with your jack pad. I've gotten past my carbon fiber on the side, which is really, really nice. And then to adjust to the jack pad, you know, just bring it up a little bit, reach underneath so you fit here. Here's my jack pad right here. Make sure that the jack is set up with it really, really nicely. Just come up, no pump. Find the button, just keep coming up till I'm lined up really, really nicely, just like that. And I'm right on the jack pad, right where I should be. So this is fabulous. I cannot wait to be using this in my garage more. Setup is really, really simple. All right, y'all, I knew that after I got the demo in the booth at SEMA with Rotek that I knew I had to have one of these. My like 25-year-old 1995 jack that was not great to begin with and had been abused over a long period of time was ready to be retired. And talk about, this is such a fantastic upgrade. Not only is it low profile on a car like my M2, which is why I wanted to show that off. I got past my carbon fiber and all the other pieces with no problems whatsoever. But this is also going to be a great option when you need to center lift your car from either the front or the rear, or lifting from the sides just isn't practical. And you don't have to try to work a weird pump angle where your jack is way underneath your car and you're trying to pump 3 inches at the time. So thank you to Rotek for making such a fantastic product. You're going to see this in a lot of my videos moving forward as I continue to work with it. I am really excited to have this in my garage.